GM, where are you joining us from, please?
From Lagos, Nigeria.
Okay. So you are a developer too. I think you are a Web3 developer too. I see smart
Yeah, smart
contract.
contract.
Okay. So you built anything on Core?
No, not for now.
Oh, why now? Why not?
Yeah, I'm more of building on Lisk and Arbitrum for now. So I've not yet checked how to build on core for now. But I should
But
very soon.
yeah, but the it's not like you write Solidity for leaks, yeah.
Yes, sure, Solidity.
Yeah, so when you deploy on core, it's just to deploy the contract on another chain. It doesn't involve
Yeah,
trying to rewrite anything. It's just like the
yeah,
way any contract you have deployed already. Yeah, it's just
yeah,
to
sure.
change the purpose. Yeah, so
The
um,
network to core. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. Yeah.
because when you build on core, at least you okay. Leaks too are giving. They have the 100,000 the leak incubation program. Yeah. If
Yes,
you
exactly.
apply,
So the thing is, my team actually built on leaks during the Web3 Lagos hackathon. So we asked to apply for the incubation program and all of that. So that's why I've majorly focused on Lisk.
oh,
Yeah,
okay. I get. I was
yeah.
okay. It's your team that won 1-5 because
That one, which
I
one?
was 1,500 now 1-5. That's what I think. Or is it how much the winners?
No, no. Lisk was just a bounty. Was $1,500. So five
Uh-huh.
teams deployed on Lisk. So my team was part of the team that deployed on Lisk.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. It was their pool price for the bounty.
Bounty, exactly.
Okay. Are you at the Web3 Bridge House?
No. I'm not.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
what we
but
do
some of my team members are.
yes, because I know most of them in the house won. They were the one that won. So basically, what
Yeah.
we do when doing Core Friday is just to see if developers are having technical difficulties, if you're having issues with code that maybe you are in development or you have a bug
Oh.
or something, and we offer support. So it's a 30-minute developer support hour. So that's what we're doing. So that's why I'm asking which projects you are working on and if there's any way we can support. So that's majorly what we do here. So yeah.
No problem, no problem. I will inform if I have any technical glitch. Yeah.
Okay. So Daniel, how far? Dan?
Yeah, yeah, fine. Great discussions you guys are doing there. So, it's a beautiful thing that we have up to two other developers with us today. It's a great thing, right? So, you guys are welcome. Abdul Basid from Biu, Borno State, and Robert from Lagos. You guys are welcome. We encourage you guys to be joining us. Like you heard, Aji said, it's a 30 minutes developer hour where we tend to attend to all queries concerning development, right? Especially on the core blockchain. So yeah, you guys should feel free, please, and subsequently, please join us. If you have any topic of concern that you think you want us to treat, yes, you can DM either me or Aji, or if there's something even you want to come and teach us, you want to come and train us here, right? Anything that will help our growth. Okay, we are developers too. We are building. So, like they said, iron sharpens iron, right? So we can sharpen ourselves here, and then in time to come, we could just have our own project. They called our builders, right? Called our builders Africa. We could have our own project. Like I brought it up last week. We could have like maybe a token or something like that that will be just for us, right? We the Cordal builders, right? We could, just something like that, or any project, we will be the DAO or something like that. So you guys are very much welcome. Thank you guys for joining. So Aji,
Yeah. Okay. So The problem is I'm not even using my PC right now. If not, I would have loved to just take you through our documentation and just show you the necessary place. But I'm coming. Let me
So,
Wycliffe, welcome. Let me
Wycliffe,
okay.
welcome.
So since you are yet to build on core, let me just share this screen. Mm, I'm coming.
Oh, Mama, I'm doing the phone. Just
Okay, you can see my screen here. I had to download Telegram on another system right now. So
okay.
I'll just show you how to get our faucets. So it's once you just Google, you can see my screen, yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
sure. We can see your screen.
Okay. So okay, this where you can get our faucets. Okay, notice the documentation. Okay. This is the testnet scan. Okay, no, this is where you get it. So once you just Google core faucet or you go to scan.test.btcs.network/faucet, I think every address is entitled to 0.1 T core. And the major thing, I'm not on my PC, so that's why I'm going to be having I'm having a lot of little challenges. Mm, so documentation, I'm coming. Documentation, coming. No, these games, this not what I'm looking for. If it was my PC to be seamless. Daniel, Daniel, can you Dan?
Yes, I'm with you. So, I was trying to record the call. I tried to record it on my system. I couldn't. So, I'm back to my
Okay.
phone. I saw the option to record on my phone. So, I'm actually using my phone in order to record.
Okay.
Can
So
carry
I'll
on.
just give us another briefing about Core. Core is a Bitcoin aligned EVM compatible ARM blockchain. So it's designed to be a complementary and hyper scalable smart contract platform. So the major difference, most people think Core is like Rootstock or no. So Core, what Core does is Core use the Satoshi Plus consensus mechanism, and the Satoshi Plus mechanism combines the delegated proof of stake and the delegated proof of work with the non-custodial staking. So the major joy with Core is trying to tap into the untapped Bitcoin asset, because most people have Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not really, well, I see the word permitted to use scalable. It's not, you cannot use Bitcoin for much, if not just trading, unlike Ethereum that you can use to develop smart contracts, gas fee, and a lot. So the primary aim of Core is to be able to, since Bitcoin is just lying in people's wallets and people just transfer and stuff. So what Core does is Core allow users to stake their Bitcoin. So you can stake your Bitcoin just like the way the proof of stake work in Ethereum, that you can delegate your stake. That's why it's called the delegated proof of stake. So I'm trying to see where I get our developers, so that I can just show you what am I looking for? Okay, this is the ignition. I'm coming. I'm looking for hi. Oh, I'm looking for looking for our developers called RPC. Um, and the joy with everything is that everything is just straight is out there. So by the time you want to um come in, no, developers guide, good RPC endpoints. So okay, if you go to chainlist.org, you know how to use MetaMask here. Are you guys with me?
Yeah, sure,
Yes,
sure,
yeah.
sure.
Okay, okay. We all know how to use Okay, Wyclef, good evening. We all know how to use MetaMask. The thing is, if I want to work now, I have to start downloading MetaMask and stuff. So I'm just taking us through our documentation. So, should in case this page has the block explorer, our endpoint, where to get faucet, about staking, and Genesis safe. So I don't know if anybody have any question so far that I will need to. If there's anything that you need me to clarify from what I've been saying since. So I'm going to drop the link in our Telegram. That's the link to the developers. This is the link to the for the developers part of our documentation. So I don't know if there's any question, any area you would like me to talk about. If there's anything I've said that you feel require me to elaborate more so that I can continue. None.
None, none.
Happy, that's it, Robert.
Is that so?
You
Let
said,
me go to my.
can I continue?
Yeah, you can.
You said developing on core is just as developing on Ethereum. Just the
Yes.
deployment on the blockchain that differs, right?
No, the deployment is the same thing. That's why I'm bringing you to my
Okay.
hard hat configuration now. So you
Okay.
see, yeah, that's why I asked if you've used, you know how to use the hard hat config, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. And when you go to the place where you have your private key, you can always replace. You know how to use your .env file, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So let me just create a GitHub gist, so that I can just drop the configuration. So no, 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 no. Sign up. I think this guy has GitHub gist. No, no, no. Create a GitHub gist. Mm-hmm. Nope. That's not what I'm looking for. Mm-hmm. Yes. So now, okay, good. So um, hard hat config. So um, hard hat config.ts. So the major thing, where is this GitHub? Yeah. So I'm gonna copy this file. I really wish I was on my PC. Then developer RPC endpoints. Mm, Tcore. Trying to really get the RPC URL, like the raw RPC URL. Daniel, hello
Yeah,
Dan.
what's up?
Can you directly get me the RPC URL? I'm trying to get my hands on it.
Mm,
Okay,
mm.
I'm coming. I'm trying to lay my hands on it and I'm having issues. Okay, good to see it here. I've seen it. So this is the RPC URL. hmm Yep, good. So once you replace this with your private key, or you replace this with the one that create public gist. So by the time you finish creating your file and you use this, you can just replace this with your can replace this with, what do we call it? You can replace your hard hat config with this file. with this gist file, and voila, all you just need to do then is to all you need to do then is just to make sure you put in your private key, but be smart about it. Use a .env file so that you don't put your private key outside for all to see. So we're together here,
Yes,
Abdul and Robert.
yes,
Big
we're
E, good
together.
evening. Okay. So I think that's one. And any contract you deploy, we have so I dropped the link for the faucet, yeah, where to get core faucets. Let me be sure. I dropped the link. Where is it? This is the link. This is the link to the developer guide, and in this page you have access to the faucets, the cost taking site. Okay, so let's investigate this. Okay. This just shows how many core. This is the total. Okay, this just shows the total number of core that is being staked. The total number of Bitcoin that is being staked on core. Then our block explorer is the same. So just like Etherscan, core has. You can also get the core API. Okay, this is for the testnet, and so on and so forth. So you can always go to my repository. I have this this is just a little staking that I made and deployed on core. So you can just go through it. It's nothing complex, it's nothing big. You can just go through it and can get it and use it to anytime you want to deploy on core, you can use it to
Sorry, sorry.
yeah.
I want to ask a question. So, what's the
Okay.
like for a user now from the user end? What's the like gas fee or transaction fee when a developer is building on core?
Um it's way lower than what it is on what you have on Ethereum. So I Daniel, do you know the exact number? Daniel?
No, that is determined by network, right? Always
Yeah.
determined by network. Yeah, but it's very, very low. It's below a cent, below 1 cent, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Around 0.09 cents. Like you can use 0.01 to deploy a contract and interact and do a lot of things with it. So yes, if it's about gas fee, like Core and Tico has relatively lower gas fees compared to Ethereum. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
so still any question? People are supposed to ask questions, so
Yeah. I want to know: is there incentive for developer to build on core blockchain?
yes. Daniel, do you think one
Yeah, let me take this
or
one. Yeah. So you're asking if what are the incentives for builders on core blockchain, right? If I heard your question correctly.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. So first of all, normally now there are hackathons, right? We just there was a hackathon in the month of July, which just ended. Okay. Then there are there are builders incentives, right? Which we have a particular program which is called um the Innovation Fund, African Innovation Fund. Yeah. So that is a fund set aside for developers, right? So if your project wins it, okay, if your project qualifies for it, you get a particular amount. I think up to a year, right? I think it's like 5k every month for you to build and develop that project from start to finish. But first of all, you need to have an MVP. You need to have something that is working already, that is deployed on testnet. They have seen the workability, and then also you need to have let there be traction. Let at least a number of people should have used this product to see its workability. right? So I think with that, you are good to go. If you get in, then so that's one of the incentives, right? Yeah.
Wow, that's great. I think the NFT game.
Okay. So yeah, yeah, you could put it on core, deploy it on core, right? Um, get your guys to use it. Make sure it's working, okay? And then if you have other products, even sure, all good. So about the tracks, concerning the tracks or uh, the type of dApps, it's general, right? But like for gaming now, gaming is a good thing everywhere you go, right? Like we are also on top, like on top of the gaming stuff. We want it. If you have it, bring it. So yeah.
I'll do that. I'll do just that.
So, any more
Okay.
questions? Questions are coming to
So
towards. Daniel, any last words?
yeah, so Wycliffe, what's up? You were, I don't know, that issue you had.
Oh yes, GM,
Wycliffe is on the call.
GM.
Yeah,
Can
GM.
you hear me? Am I audible?
I can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh yes, I had a previous issue. It was actually when I was trying to deploy my contract on the testnet blockchain. There was that issue whereby the zero ether section was actually not reflecting to the one TCO that I had claimed from the faucet site. But apparently I fixed it. Just from the guides, I fixed it. I used the wallet connect section, and the issue actually was resolved.
Okay, okay, okay. So nice, nice. Yeah. So sometimes my former system, right? If I use injected provider MetaMask, it doesn't connect. But once I use Wallet Connect, it gets connected, and then I'm able to do my transactions. So yeah. Okay. So thanks guys for joining today. Honestly, so you can see the energy today, right? And thanks to Aji too for, in fact, I didn't even expect this kind of energy from you too. But nice, nice one. So I think it's because we had like developers, right? People who are interested in building. So this is what gingers us up. This is what gives us the energy to do more, right? So if we have you guys coming every day, bring your fellow developer guys, okay? Encourage your people that are interested in building. Bring them. We're here to answer all the questions concerning building on core. And then, like I said earlier, of course, we took also decided to build something on our own here. Like I think on this call, almost everybody is a developer, right? So yeah, Aji.
I want to appreciate everyone for taking out time to join us. Hopefully, we'll see you next week Friday again, same time, same place. So hopefully next week you come with questions. If you have a bug, at least those who are growing, and just feel free to go through the links I sent, the repository. If you want to be able to deploy on call, it will guide and support you very well. And if you have any questions going forward, like my DM is open, Daniel DM is open. So thank you very much. Cheers.
All right, thanks guys. See you next week Friday.
Thank you very
See ya.
much, and I'll
Thank you.
contact you
Thank you.
before the time.
All right.
Tell him. Dan, Daniel.